One of the biggest game changers in my business is when I switched to the CRM Jobber. Back in the day, I was a glorified chuck in the truck and my business was disorganized. I was basically running off my memory, sticky notes, things were just all over the place, and it reflected in my bottom line. When I switched to Jobber, my administrative tasks began to get more efficient and organized, and the best part was my cash flow was transformed. I started to get paid faster. You see, I'd send out an invoice to my customer, and voila, they'd pay me online. Easy peasy, and even better, reoccurring work, I was charging the customer's card on file. This transformed my cash flow and gave me more peace of mind because I had the money ahead of time rather than chasing down money, robbing Peter to pay Paul. Also, it helped give me a more professional touch with my customers. The software of Jobber makes things so easy to communicate with your customers, whether it's text, whether it's email, and it just makes you as the business owner more professional, and it makes things for the customer more convenient. If you're looking to streamline your business, really organize the administrative task of your business, and get paid faster, check out Jobber. It's the CRM that I personally use, and for a limited time, you can actually try it for free for 14 days. And if you decide you want to use Jobber as the CRM for your business, you can save 20% off your first 6 months at getjobber.com/Paul. Again, that's getjobber.com/Paul. Take your business to the next level by utilizing a CRM. Check out Jobber today.